What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I will be doing a technical analysis breakdown for Tesla with the ticker symbol TSLA. I will first be going over what I see on the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. So I do look at Tesla 2 times a week, every Monday and Thursday. So let's take a look at what happened since this week, Monday. You can see that price did continue to push up higher, which was expected. The reason being is because on Monday, you can see that we had a higher low. This swing right over here is higher than the previous one. This swing right over here is higher than the previous one, which shows momentum towards the upside, and price looked to be breaking outside of this downward trend line. So there wasn't a lot of resistance in the way for the bulls to continue pushing up the price. So we came back up to fill in this gap right over here at the 262 level, 263 level, and price reached the measure move target. So this was one leg up. Price generally moves in twos. And you see the second leg up, measurement target is met. That's exactly where we found resistance after filling in the gap, and we sold off just slightly. So where are we going next? Well, overall, we're still bullish in this nice upward yellow channel, and there's a good chance that price will continue to push up higher, even if we do see more downside, because there is strong upward momentum overall. So in the near term, the next resistance level is most likely going to be this trend line that I drew off the swing highs. That's coming down, so that's right at the high 260s. It would be the next target. However, since the measurement target was met, we could start seeing a sell-off right now or probably tomorrow. So something like this can occur. However, I think that's unlikely. I think there's still a strong bullish momentum to the upside. Just because the measurement target is reached doesn't mean we're going to see a reversal right away. It's not really at any strong resistance. So I'm looking for the high 260s. Let's see if price can get there. Maybe price might even break this trend line, which would be even more bullish. But either way, this looks pretty good to the upside. Price is still bouncing from that 240 level, which is critical. Price is still within this yellow uptrend channel, which is a very good sign. And the bears may fail to reach their measurement move target because it got activated back over here. This is one large leg down by the bears. We are expecting to see a second leg down to the 191 level. Measurement move targets aren't always reached, but the bears will try multiple attempts. This is the first attempt to reach it. That's failing. Usually you'll see another second attempt. If we see a hard bounce from that 240 level, that would be the catalyst for much more higher prices, something like this. So again, it's just all depends if the bulls want to maintain support or not. We'll decide if price will reach the 191 level in the future. As right now, they're not letting the bears reach it, so I'm expecting higher prices. I'm looking for the high 260s. Possibly tomorrow, maybe early next week. That's if we continue pushing up higher. If we do pull back, I'm going to be expecting that 240 level to be acting as support, but that's also coinciding with the channel support that's working its way up. So again, Tesla overall is still bullish. Even if we do break the channel, there's a good chance we will still see impulses towards the upside due to the previous upward momentum. So again, everything is still looking good for Tesla, regardless if we see a large move down or not. Even if we do reach the measurement target, I wouldn't say it's over. Overall, this is still pretty good. I think Tesla still has a lot going for it in the short term and long term. Now, it looks like earnings report is estimated to come out Wednesday, October 18th. So possibly in the next 2 to 3 weeks, we can see the earnings report come out. And it coincides with all this resistance and support coming together. So we'll see which one will win at the end of the day. Here's the weekly chart. After a downtrend gets a break, you expect 2 attempts in that direction. Same goes for an uptrend. Right now we're seeing 2 attempts down by the bears. This is 1 attempt. We're seeing the second attempt, and the second attempt is not being successful, reaching the 192 level. So again, if this uptrend continues to push up prices, then I'm looking for a new high of this uptrend to the 300 level and possibly even higher. So let's see what happens right over here. I'm expecting higher prices. And if we see a break of this trend line, I think we could be seeing a much larger move up in the future because these 2 smaller legs will be combined to form one larger leg. So that's 2 legs up right there. And since the target was met and price is selling off, we can combine the first 2 legs to make one large leg, and it's targeting the all-time highs at the 407 level, and it comes perfectly right back over here at the 411, 410 level. So again, let's see how this develops. As right now, price is bullish. I'm expecting higher prices in the short term and even long term, and we'll see how this develops. This is Vee Trades, and thank you for your time.